Welcome back to another installment of Barricade Rides, videos for motorcycle enthusiasts. We just broke the triple-digit barrier for subscribers. And it's giveaway time. Stick around to the end for the details. Before we get any further, I want to give a couple shout outs to some loyal subscribers. Thank you for sharing my content and being active on my social media. I'd ride peg to peg with you guys any day. The first guy, Billy Ray, he was that final push I needed to get started on my YouTube journey. You can follow him on Instagram right here for some good motorcycle and Harley related content. The second guy is Caleb the Red. He's got a lot of good info on his Instagram for beard care and lifestyle, working out, whatever. You can follow them right here. Thank you guys for being so active and sharing my content. And one last thing, I want to thank a couple creators on YouTube for giving me some advice, and that is Bodine52, Wretched Nation, and Project Moto LLC. Give them a subscribe, check out their content. They got some good stuff over there. Make sure to watch my videos first. Alright, so last June, I lost my job as a robotics technician in COVID. Made it really hard to find a job. And all of a sudden I have all this time. What the hell is this veteran gonna do? You know what? I'm gonna start a YouTube channel. With this channel, I am gonna do only what I love. I don't got no boss, it's just me. So I'm gonna do what I love most, make videos about motorcycles. Two of my favorite things in the world. I am committed to giving you guys the best content I can that will either teach you something or entertain you. So if you have any ideas whatsoever on stuff, content, whatever you want to see, post it in the comments and I'll make it happen one way or another. So what am I going to do with all this free time? I'm going to post 2 to 3 times a week. I just ordered a bunch of new parts, so I'm going to give you some tips on how to make your bike look better aesthetically for under 20 bucks per part. I'm going to show you how to install them and give you an honest review. There's going to be Motovlog Mondays, Test Ride Thursdays, uploads every Saturday at noon, and I'll be doing series on start to finish, deciding if you want a motorcycle, all the way to riding your motorcycle, fully endorsed. Now it's giveaway time. I just ordered a bunch of custom merchandise samples. So the first 5 people who subscribe to my channel, likes this video, and comments done down below will get 2 custom stickers, and the winners will know when I inbox you. Thank you again for watching my channel. Thank you for all the support. And as always, stay safe, brothers and sisters, and ride your ride.